woods where the moss grows mean lives a spider with a cold black gleam. He don't love nobody, not one face, just 8 sharp legs and a spiteful grace. Then came an orange puppet painted bright, used to stand his ground, used to feel alright. Now his strings go slack, his eyes look dim. He nods when the spider speaks to him. He used to say no, used to walk away. Now he forgets the words and does what the spiders say. Orange puppet dance, orange puppet dance. Them forest critters, they don't stand a chance. Orange puppet dance, orange puppet dance. Turn the whole damn grove to ash. With a patient grin says, use your workers, send them in. Tie up the sawmill, jam the mill, kill the arachnophobic swine as per my will. So the puppet calls out, voice all cracked, sends his helpers marching, none come back. The berry carts stall, the bark racks fall, coins stop clinking in the market hall. He used to say no, used to keep things fair. Now the spider pulls and the puppet doesn't care. Orange puppet dance, orange puppet dance. Them forest critters, they don't stand a chance. Orange puppet dance, orange puppet dance. Turn the whole damn grove to ash. Go still, the brook runs dark by the paper mill, and the spider laughs with a velvet face as the puppet burns down his own workplace. Orange puppet dance, orange puppet dance. Spin that forest to a trance. Orange puppet dance, orange puppet dance. Them forest critters, they don't stand a chance. Orange puppet dance, orange puppet dance. Now the woods are fucked, but the arachnophobes are too. So I guess it was all worth it.